Hey folks, Jimmy here from Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and back to another Warhammer Age of Sigmar video. I'm feeling a little bit better than I was yesterday for yesterday's video, so a little bit of positive there. But today's video is all about these new Stormcast, the Celestar Ballista that we've got with the newest issue of Mortal Realms magazine, and for two figures. Basically building them up, get them looking right, and we'll check them out a little bit closer at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Thank you. Right then guys, so that's it, that's how you build them up. As you can see, you know, I've got these built up. They are on the bases at the moment. It's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass to paint them on the base, but I can pop them off, which won't be too bad. You may find when you're pushing it all together, some parts don't look like they fit right, so you've got that little gap at the top there, which looks like it shouldn't be there, but in all honesty, I've got another one of these ballistas which has exactly the same kind of marking, so it's got that gap there no matter what, so you don't need to worry about it. You got the ordinators themselves, who look pretty cool, so check her out, she's pretty decent, pointing away with a rangefinder in hand. Little bit of scuffing on the knee which will get sorted when it gets painted anyway. These have different robes as well, which we'll go through a video of how to paint those up and a different way of painting them, which I'm quite looking forward to. I do like painting Stormcast, especially when you get different Stormcast from the Sequitors and the Castigators. And this chap here as well, the loader, so we can load up new magazines when it focuses, if it focuses. Come on, there you go. Magazine in hand, ready to add more bolts to the good old Ballista and stuff like that as well, which is pretty cool. I'm quite happy with these guys. I like the fact they're on modelled bases, on sculpted bases, which always pleases me because it's so much easier and so better looking when you've got a modelled base. I can't say enough good things about having modelled bases. I love them. Anyway, that is the end of the video. If you've liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Drop a comment down below with if you're enjoying the Mortal Realms magazine or not, or what you're doing with your Stormcast and what you're doing with your Nighthorns or any other Warhammer models that you're doing, or non-Warhammer models if you're into things like, I don't know, Marvel Crisis Protocol for instance, which I quite like the look of and I've got at some point get, or if you're doing Song of Fire and Ice or something like that as well, which I actually have got some of their models and I do need to paint them at some point, or if you're doing different versions of good old Warhammer models, whether it's Blood Bowl, Warcry, Seraphon Army, because the Seraphon are coming back to the Age of Sigmar and they're going to get an update, which I must admit I'm looking forward to because I love them lizard men, they're pretty cool. But anyway, I'll stop rabbiting on now. As I say, if you enjoyed the video, just hit the like button, and remember to subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye now.